Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover your TREZOR Safe free from a recovery phrase. This video will show you just one step from the setup, so if you want to see more about the setup, then you can watch a video on the setup, but that video shows how to create a new wallet, and here I'll just recover it from a recovery phrase, of course. So let's start that, then start recovery, and now I'll need to confirm it on the device, then click on recover wallet. Now it will start processing, and then you can just select the number of words in your backup. So let's click on continue, and so we can select, like in my case it will be 24, but of course if you have a different amount, then select that. If the recovery phrase was generated on the Trezor, then most probably it will be 20, but I have 24, so I'm gonna select that, and then I'm gonna go down and continue. Now I'll need to enter the first word, and of course I'm not gonna show you the whole recovery phrase because it shouldn't be short. You can see I can recover the whole wallet from a recovery phrase, so it means that basically sharing with anyone will give them access to your full wallet. So I'm gonna enter the first word. You need to select the first digit, click on both buttons, then select the second one, and now it'll give you options of words that can go there. So select the correct one and go to the second word and continue until you get all of them. And once everything was entered correctly, you'll be able to click on continue, and now you have it done, and you'll just need to continue with the setup in the app. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.